Hey guys, it's been what, a few weeks since I posted any videos. We're supposed to go racing today. Not sure that's going to happen. Look, what's a lot of dark clouds around with us, but has not been called off. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get ready, pretend like we are going to go racing. If they happen to cancel it, they cancel it. But anyway, let's get the day started and see where it ends. Well, I'm on my way to get some gas and get some money for the race today. Like I said, it's been a few weeks since I have posted any videos. Been really busy with the July 4th holiday, and I just need kind of a break from things and stuff. So we have not been racing. I bet going on 4 weeks now, so it's been a while. Due to the rainouts and the schedules and stuff like that, there's been no racing. So, and today, about you, but man, it's not looking good right now. I mean, we have to travel 2 hours north. There's some storms building up there, but just don't know. Race is still on. Carl hasn't canceled anything yet, but I don't know. Hopefully we'll get a race in today, but just don't know. So anyway, we're gonna get the day started, pretend like we are gonna go ahead and go up there, get things ready, and go from there. So anyway, let's get on down the road here and get some stuff going. Truck's all clean, all washed. Time to get going. Wipers on. And got cash for the race today. And back home we go. We're back at the shop, so let's get things loaded up and see where this leads us. Well, guess what? It's canceled. Yep, she's canceled today. Carl went ahead and put the fix that. Ooh, can't fix that date. Anyway, he put the notice out saying no racing today. I mean, even though the weather here looks really good. We got some really bad storms coming in tonight. I will try to videotape those if they do come down here, which I think they're supposed to, but hopefully I get some good pictures of that. But anyway, for now, no racing. We got plenty of things to do around the shop, especially outside. See the big old dirt mound there. We're going to take care of some of that. Got some rototilling to do, some dirt moving. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I may even post some videos from the 4th of July in this video. So anyway, with that, we got to get this thing unloaded now. Got it all loaded up. I mean, look at that, gas is back here. Everything's ready to go. Well, it is what it is. Maybe in 2 weeks we'll be racing again. I think it's been over 4 weeks since we raced, so not a good summer. So let's get this thing unloaded, move some dirt. Here we go. Yeah, glad they canceled the race. Look at this, beautiful day. Crazy, isn't it? It's 1:30. We've already been all the way on the road, but further north, that's where all the rain's at right now. We're supposed to get, like I said, supposed to get some here later on tonight. But in the meantime, we're moving dirt around. So fun. Rototilled a bunch of dirt in the back there. So back at it. Off to the gas station to get some more gas. Still moving dirt. Sounds like fun. Gas, heading back home. I was gonna show you what I'm working on. So that big pile of dirt. I've been moving it over here. Then you see that strip of dirt way in the background there? We put it on the ground there and we rototill it, make it really fine. Then we're able to take that dirt and fill in our low spots here on the property. So got a lot of dirt to move. This is all from the pool dig and stuff. They haven't picked it up yet, so we're going to use some of it to fill some of the property up. So to help level things out. So back to work. Well, look at that. We got storms coming. It got dark around here. It's crazy. Dad or Pop said that there's raining at the track already. So good call, Carl, calling the race for today. So we didn't make the trek up there, then canceled and make the trek back. So anyway, it's a tough call to make sometimes, but I think he made a great call. So anyway, that's how much dirt we moved. It's laying all back there waiting to be rototilled. So anyway, let's get home, get cleaned up, and see what tomorrow brings us. So anyway, if anybody want to know the update status of the pool, that's where we're at with the pool. Hopefully they'll pour the concrete next week for the pad. So yeah, it's a slow process right now. Things are just backed up like crazy, labor shortages and all that good stuff. So anyway, hopefully we'll get it done here in the month of July. So anyway, let's get cleaned up. Yeah, that's the storm that's coming. We're here where it says Collinsville. See that real purple dot? You can see that or not, but yep, that's what's coming. And to give you some type of reference, right there where it says Asbury, not sure you can see that, that's where the track's at. So basically all this right here is going right through the track. So once again, Carl, good call. So yeah, not a fun day.
Why did I hear an uh-oh? I don't like hearing uh-oh. Mom, you don't like hearing anything.